Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to Seek the Beat TV, where beauty meets wellness in the most divine way. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do that. Make sure you hit the button so you know exactly when I'll be dropping another video. Also, if you have not already liked this video, go ahead and do that as well. And if you find it to be any type of informative or something that you just thoroughly enjoy, make sure you share it with your next homegirl. Because today I'm going to be giving you a lash tutorial. This will be my first time actually putting on lashes. Well, these particular lashes. I am going on a trip to Tulum and I'm finding a bomb way to do my lashes in the least expensive way as possible. I actually seen my homegirl with these lashes on and was like, girl, put me on and put me on ASAP. And before I wrap this up, make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, let me know what you want to see next. I am down for whatever. So let's get to it.
I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should have known it. I wasn't going.
So today, baby, we are going to be using our V-Lux. It's V-Lux Extended. So as y'all can see, these lashes come with 4 different lines. They actually had 2 different versions. One that had 3 lines and one that had 4. I'm extra. I knew I was going to want more volume, so I got the one with 4. It comes with 2 mediums, a short, and a large. I did see other lashes that were like these, but I wanted to make sure I got the mink kind because, like I said, my homegirl's lashes were bomb. So make sure you get the mink kind. These lashes were about $12 at the local beauty supply. Nothing too expensive. I really like to just use my the end of my edge control brush to do the glue on the lash. I'm very old school, so me particularly, I'm gonna use hair glue. Very old school. You cannot take it out of me. I'm going to use hair glue on my lashes every time I have to do strips or anything like this. It's just ingrained in me at this point. Hair glue, it works. I ain't never had no problems with it. At the end of the day, don't fix what's not broken. Okay, baby? Let's undo this pack. Baby, I'm kind of nervous, but I think that it's going to turn out beautiful. So it looks like I have 5 on each row. 5 clusters on each row. So we are going to get started. I think I'm gonna start with my left eye or right eye. I'm gonna start with my right eye and I'm gonna get a little bit closer. I'm also gonna make sure I don't have anything on my lashes from previous nights because your girl has been outside. Oh, you know what I don't have is tweezers. Okay, so we had to go get some tweezers. I needed some tweezers. I usually do my strips with my fingers because it really don't be that hard for me, but these seem a little bit more like I need precise details. So we needed to get tweezers. Make sure you have some tweezers. Okay. I like to start on the outer corners. So I'm just going to take this, get right underneath that lash and peel it off. Line it up with a little bit of glue. I like to give my glue a little blow because I don't want it to be too tacky. I mean, I don't want it to be too wet. I want it to be a little tacky. I like to get like right, I'm gonna get like right there. I got the first one on there. Okay, so we got the second one on there. I have 2 large ones on there on the end, and then I went in with a medium, and I'm gonna go in with another medium. Okay, so as y'all can see, I have 2 long ones and 2 mediums thus far, and they already look bomb, you know? I'm gonna go in with some shorts on the inside. And I'm going to add more mediums, but baby, look at this. This is cute. Okay, V-Lux, and the mink is minking. Okay, I'm getting too excited. I'm excited about this. This is great. But I want the mixture of lengths in there. So I might add a short in the middle just so that I could see short, medium, short, medium. I added that short underneath my lash line. I'm gonna add this medium underneath the lash line where the longs are right now. I'm gonna give it some definition and I'm also kind of like adding volume so it looks a little bit more fluttery. But they're already bomb. Don't play with her, stay with her. Okay, so this is the final look on that eye. Oh my gosh, so bomb. So what I did was I put some lashes on top of my lash line, and then I put some lashes underneath my lash line because I wanted it to be full in all areas. And baby, when I tell you, these lashes is giving what they're supposed to give. Just wait till I have my full face of makeup on. Like, I'm with it. Okay, V-Lux. Now the real true test is to see how long these last throughout the vacation. I'm there for 4 days, and we gonna have to update y'all on if they stood the test of time or if they were falling out throughout the duration of my 4 days. We're gonna have to give that review later, but as of right now, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Baby, let me go ahead and finish the other eye so that we can see the full look all together. And I'm gonna do that off camera. BRB. Okay. So this is the final look. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Look at them. These are so bomb. You can't tell me I'm not about to be in Tulum blinking at the hoochie daddies. Okay? I am about to be batting my eyes. Baby, this is a look, okay? This is so bomb. And like I said, you can get this at your local beauty supply, but how freaking cute. You just can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing with these lashes, honestly. I'm actually gonna put a link below in the description so that you know exactly which ones I got, which lashes I got. But baby, get into it. Get into these lashes, baby. Let me blink a few times for y'all. You see it? Oh my God. But yes, click the link below if you actually want to get the exact lashes that I got. But baby, these are bomb. Is she ready for Tulum or is she ready for Tulum? Stay tuned because I will have content on that trip as well. But thank you for tuning in to Seek the Beat TV. I hope all is well with all of you, and I will see you soon.